Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix internal error 0x06 system error, then let's look at following solution. So the solution is very simple. All we have to do is just open File Explorer, this PC, open the C drive, double click on users, public, and create a new folder, and name it public. Enter and open public, right click, create a new folder and name the folder Steam. Enter. The only reason was Steam was not able to create a folder, and now that you have created it for it, so Steam will automatically detect it and store the required data in this folder. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.